Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Laos at Wat Phu Salao, a hilltop temple overlooking the city of Pakse and the mighty Mekong River. This sacred site is home to one of the most iconic golden Buddha statues in the country and offers panoramic views that will leave you breathless. Standing nearly 10 meters tall, the golden Buddha gazes serenely across Pakse from his perch on Salao Hill. He watches over the city and the river, a symbol of peace and spiritual protection. Visitors climb the long staircase or take the winding road to reach the statue. And when you arrive, the view is unforgettable. At sunset, the Buddha glows with golden light, framed by the colors of the sky. Wat Phu Salao is more than just one statue. The temple grounds are filled with rows of seated Buddhas, prayer flags, and ornate shrines. Each corner of the complex invites quiet reflection. The atmosphere here is serene. Monks chant softly, incense drifts through the air, and visitors pause to meditate or offer prayers. This is also a place to connect with living culture. You can meet monks, observe their daily routines, and learn about Buddhist traditions that have shaped Laos for centuries. For photographers, Wat Phu Salao is a dream. The changing light from sunrise to sunset transforms the landscape, painting Pakse and the Mekong in magical colors. Although Wat Phu Salao is a relatively modern temple, compared to ancient sites like Wat Phu Chantasak, it carries deep spiritual meaning. The name translates to Temple of the Salao Tree, a tree with religious significance in Buddhism. Built in the late 20th century and expanded in recent decades, it has quickly become a beloved destination for both pilgrims and tourists. From the hilltop, the views stretch endlessly. You can see Pakse City below, the Mekong River winding through the landscape, and distant mountains fading into the horizon. Whether you come at sunrise or sunset, the scenery is unforgettable, a perfect blend of natural beauty and spiritual tranquility. Wat Phu Salao is easy to reach from Pakse. You can hike about 5 kilometers up the hill or take a tuk-tuk for a quicker ride. Bring water, wear comfortable shoes, and plan your visit around sunset for the most dramatic views. The temple grounds are open to visitors throughout the day, and entrance is free. It's more than a viewpoint. It's a sanctuary of peace, a place to reflect, and a reminder of Laos' rich spiritual heritage. From the Golden Buddha to the sweeping views of Pakse and the Mekong, this site will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Thank you for joining me here in Laos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into Southeast Asia's cultural treasures. Wat Phu Salao rises above Pakse, a beacon of faith and culture. From the summit, the Mekong River stretches endlessly, and the city below feels small beneath the gaze of the Golden Buddha. This temple is not ancient, but it has quickly become one of the most cherished landmarks in southern Laos. The temple complex blends traditional Laotian design with modern construction. The stairways are lined with statues, the shrines are decorated with bright colors, and prayer flags ripple in the wind. Each element reflects devotion, but also the creativity of the community that built and maintains it. The Golden Buddha here is seated in meditation, symbolizing calm and enlightenment. His gaze toward Pakse is interpreted as a blessing for the city. Locals believe that his presence brings protection, prosperity, and peace. For many, visiting Wat Phu Salao is not just sightseeing, it's an act of devotion. Every morning, monks climb the hill to chant and meditate. Villagers bring offerings of flowers, incense, and candles. Children accompany their parents, learning traditions passed down through generations. At night, the temple glows softly under lanterns, creating a serene atmosphere that feels timeless. At the base of Salao Hill, motorbike parking is available for a small fee. Many locals choose to walk the full 5 kilometers to the summit. This climb is part of their ritual. At sunrise, they ascend to welcome the day. At sunset, they walk to reflect as the sky fades. The journey itself is seen as a form of meditation, each step a prayer. In the dry season, the air is clear and the views stretch for miles. During the rainy season, mist rolls across the hills, giving the temple a mystical quality. Each season transforms the experience, offering new moods and perspectives for visitors. Festival, Wat Phu Salao becomes a center of celebration. Pilgrims gather, candles light the pathways, and chants echo across the hillside. The Golden Buddha shines even brighter against the backdrop of devotion. These moments connect the community, reinforcing the temple's role as a living sanctuary. Salao is more than a hilltop temple. It's a place where locals walk together at dawn and dusk, where monks keep traditions alive, and where visitors discover the spirit of Laos. From its architecture to its rituals, it embodies both modern devotion and timeless heritage. Thank you for joining me here in Pakse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into Southeast Asia's cultural treasures. And if you enjoyed my vlog and my first drone flights, please press the like button. And if you subscribe, I will send you a whole year's worth of good luck. Thanks for watching.